Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply for a study visa to Sweden. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Also, I would like to clarify that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So guys, when you apply for studying in Sweden for more than 3 months, there and you are not an EU citizen, you need a residence permit, right? But if you study for less than 3 months, you may need a visa instead. Okay, so they have given the list of countries that all citizens need a visa, so that's fine. And the easiest way to apply is to apply online, right? So we have that link open, but I'll open it again for you. Okay, so the very first thing is, yeah, who need visas before entering the Schengen area. So you can see India is there, but again, some special criteria is there. That's fine. Anyway, so when it comes to apply, like I have opened some links here for you from this Migration Sweden website. Okay. So for higher education, let's say you want to go for masters and you need to apply for residence permit. What are the documents required? Valid passport. You have been admitted to a course. You should be able to support yourself. You have paid tuition fee and you have applied for health insurance. You have or you have already applied for, like you should have health insurance for the duration you're gonna stay. Okay. So when you're gonna go for it, you're gonna click on this e-service. So this is the page. This is gonna open. So this is like online application, the Swedish Migration Agency. So how you can do if you do not have like a mobile bank ID. So with bank logins, a lot of countries have their immigration system login. Even in Canada too, this happens. But here, uh, because probably you're going for the first time to Sweden, so you don't have this. So you can create a username and password. Okay. So you don't have an account, so you can create. It's very simple, and I'm gonna do it, and then okay. So now we are on this page, and it is ask like what happens after you register. They send you a code to your email account to verify it. Once you put the code, your account gets created and you can log in. So now the question comes, as we had selected the study permit initially, so it is coming under this residence permit for studies in higher education. Do you want to apply for first permit? So let's say if you're doing it for the first time, you're gonna do this and basic details. I'm gonna put some sample. Of course, I will not be submitting the application. Here I should pick up. Do you have a Swedish personality number the first time? Then no. And as per your case, you're gonna answer the questions. Address. A sample, guys. A valid passport. I select yes. I will document. Oh, these are very simple questions. You can attach a copy of passport. This can be attached at a later step. Okay, fine. So I can go to next. Choose a Swedish embassy or consulate. You will be in contact with collect. Okay. So where do I have? India, right? New Delhi. Yeah, in New Delhi is very important in these cases. Applicant previously applied for visa permit. I select no. You have a permit in a country other than your home country. If you have, definitely do. But have you used any country in Schengen, in Sweden? Okay, studies. So let's say somebody is going in March 2023 till 2 years. Just sample, guys. You gotta do this on your case. To a mobility program with EU, I select no. Next. Oh yeah, I need to provide information here. Fine. Yeah. College. Let me see which one I can put here. Okay. Acceptance letter. It can be attached at a later step. So I do this. Okay, fine. Okay, and now I can go to next. Setting. Yeah, this is very important, but I'm gonna put some what do you call useless things, but you need to put as per your case. Employment of that status. Applicant previous education. Can I bypass this? No. Answer. Okay. WorkX. This I could pass through. Financial asset. Do you have a scholarship? I select no. Find documentation. Okay. Financial assets. Moon bank assets. Total amount. Yeah. Too much, right? Currency. Oh, I'll put Canadian dollar. Fine. These are the questions you need to answer as per case. Other information I won't give. Now this is the review where you can review all the answers, and here you can you need to attach. Okay, because once you make these attachments, then it's gonna let you go to the next step where you are gonna pay the fee, and then you'll be in touch with the embassy and they will process, and from there it goes to the next step. They may ask you for an interview, they may ask you for additional documents as well. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.